One meal eaten daily for 30 days can dissolve artery plaque, lower blood pressure, and reverse years of heart damage. I'm going to show you exactly what's on this plate and why doctors don't want you to know about it. Here's what's killing you right now. Plaque in your arteries, a deadly mix of calcium, cholesterol, and bacterial colonies that's blocking blood flow to your heart and brain. These bacteria build protective calcium shells to hide from your immune system. But this one meal attacks plaque from every angle, and in 30 days, your arteries can start healing. Here's what you need on your plate. Wild-caught salmon, loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, the healthy fats that reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and prevent the artery damage where plaque sticks. A massive arugula salad with extra virgin olive oil and apple cider vinegar. Arugula is a cruciferous vegetable like broccoli, which means it's really good for your liver. It lowers blood glucose and contains powerful plant compounds that actually break down those bacterial colonies hiding in your arteries. Olive oil works like a natural blood pressure medication, and vinegar regulates your cholesterol levels while helping your body digest fats properly. Add sauerkraut, the secret weapon most people ignore. It has 7 times your daily vitamin C requirement, which prevents damage to your artery walls and stops bacteria from forming colonies. It's loaded with beneficial bacteria called lactic acid bacteria. These are the good guys that ferment cabbage into sauerkraut. These bacteria act like prescription blood pressure medication, lowering your pressure naturally. They also target the most dangerous type of cholesterol, the small, dense particles that stick to artery walls, and help your body absorb critical vitamins for heart health. Top your salad with pumpkin seeds for vitamin E, natural cheese for vitamin K2. That's the vitamin that pulls calcium out of your arteries and puts it into your bones, and add fresh garlic. Garlic thins your blood, lowers pressure, and directly kills the bacteria hiding in your arteries. Now here's the part that changes everything. How you eat this meal determines whether it works or fails completely. Eat this meal once daily, preferably for lunch or dinner. Never skip the sauerkraut. That's where the beneficial bacteria come from. Use real extra virgin olive oil, not fake grocery store versions. And eat wild-caught salmon, not farmed. The omega-3 healthy fat content is completely different. Chew your food slowly to activate digestion and nutrient absorption. So, what happens in 30 days? Week 1, inflammation in your arteries drops significantly. Your blood pressure starts decreasing as the healthy fats and beneficial bacteria take effect. During the second week, your gut undergoes a major transformation as healthy bacteria start to take over. The good bacteria from sauerkraut colonize your intestines, producing compounds that regulate cholesterol and prevent bad bacteria from entering your bloodstream, which is where artery plaque starts. Week 3, vitamin K2 starts pulling calcium out of your artery walls and pushing it into your bones where it belongs. Your arteries become more flexible instead of stiff and calcified. By week 4, plaque formation slows dramatically. Existing plaque becomes more stable and less likely to rupture and cause a heart attack. Your blood flows easier, energy increases, and your heart works more efficiently. Many people see blood pressure drop 10 to 15 points without medication. Here's your 30-day challenge. Eat this exact meal once per day. Wild salmon, arugula salad with olive oil and vinegar, sauerkraut, pumpkin seeds, real natural cheese, and garlic. Avoid sugar, cheap vegetable oils, and processed foods. They cause the artery damage this meal is fixing. Take a photo of your meal daily. Track your blood pressure weekly. After 30 days, get your cholesterol checked. You'll be shocked at the results. Your arteries heal. Plaques stop growing. Heart disease can be reversed with the right food. This meal is your medicine. If this video could save your life, hit that like button and subscribe for more heart health strategies. Comment below. Are you starting this tomorrow? Thanks for watching, and I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.